Hi, Tracey Sanders here. I'm with my Garden Railroad, the S&S Railway. I've got my LGB locomotive right behind me with the bottle train, and we're going to be running it with a Blunami, which I've installed on battery power. I'm going to open the application. There it is, it's open. It's keyed to the locomotive. I'm going to show you. Okay, the locomotive's going to go ahead and run, go forward, and I'm going to step out of the picture. Stopping at the passenger station, and there she is.